In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play GTA 5 RP on low-end PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to tweak the settings for Grand Theft Auto 5 so you will be able to play on a low-end PC or laptop. Now, you will notice that I am recording this video on the story mode of GTA 5, but don't worry, everything that I say in this video is going to be able to be reproduced if you are playing RP. So first, inside of the game itself, pause at any point and go over to the settings. Inside of the settings, this is where you will get the biggest effect on your performance. So go over to graphics, and in here, you will be able to tweak a lot of settings. So first, lower the resolution. By lowering the resolution, you are going to take stress off of your GPU. So if you have a low-end GPU, you will give it more breathing room. So you can go ahead and lower this accordingly. I'm not going to lower it in this video because I am currently recording. And you don't have to go all the way down. Try to find a good middle ground between quality and the usage of video memory. So you will see that the higher the resolution, the more video memory is going to be used. And if you don't have a lot of video memory available to you, then you will have to lower this accordingly. But you don't have to go all the way unless you really need those frames. So I'm going to leave it on the native one that I'm recording on, but you can lower this. Next, the aspect ratio you can usually leave on auto. Now for all of the settings, to keep this simple, you basically want to turn them off. If there is an off option, just set it to off. Next, lower all of these bars here, which refer to all of these settings here. So the density for the population, variety, distance, scaling, and so on. Most of these are going to have this little bar, and you just have to make sure that it is completely grayed out, which means that it is on the lowest preset available. Next, for the quality settings here at the bottom, once again, you just lower them as much as you can. Usually they will go down to normal or low. So just keep lowering them, or set them to off if available. Now, this is the simplest way to get the best performance. You just set everything to normal or off and you will be good to go. But sometimes you can spend a little bit more time here trying to tweak the settings. So maybe you rise some of these settings that don't have much of an impact. You can confirm the impact of each individual setting by looking at the option on video memory. So some of these won't have too much of an impact and you can just set them to high maybe or very high, but others will have a big impact, so you kind of have to choose accordingly. Maybe you don't like the texture quality being low, so set it to very high or high while everything else is set to low, but the texture is one that is going to have a lot of impact alongside the shadows. You can go over to advanced graphics if you would like to change more. Now, I'm not going to apply it for this video because once again, I am recording, but you should change these settings as well. The advanced settings will have a lot more impact, so go ahead and once again, lower these accordingly. The last thing that you can try to do is to go over to where your game is installed. So if you are playing through Steam, right-click GTA 5, Manage, Browse Local Files, find the GTA 5 or 5M executable, right-click, go into Properties, Compatibility, and in here, disable the full screen optimizations, and inside of Change High DPI settings, take this option, Override High DPI scaling behavior. Save these changes and you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to play GTA 5 RP on low-end PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.